Did you know that some Korean barbecue restaurants in Las Vegas offer high quality beef cooked right at your table? It's an experience you won't want to miss. In this video, you're going to explore the vibrant world of Korean barbecue in Las Vegas while focusing on the unique experience of having premium beef cooked before your eyes. Many people struggle to find authentic Korean barbecue experiences that offer not just good food, but also an engaging dining atmosphere. My name's Anton Liberopoulos, and welcome to 8 Ounce Korean Barbecue, where you're going to see some pretty cool stuff. So, with that being said, welcome.
Have you been here before?
No, I haven't been here.
This is kimchi,
All right.
and this is potato salad,
Okay.
fish cake,
Okay.
radish, and soy pickled radish.
Oh, okay.
And this is green onion and bean sprout with spicy sauce.
That's like to eat in the beginning?
Yes.
Okay.
And you
Awesome.
need to mix it.
You didn't mix it a little bit? Okay. All right.
For the sauce, this is salt and pepper, and spicy sauce, and soy mix sauce.
Okay.
This is a la carte from beef, pork, chicken, and seafood.
Okay.
And if you order 2 or more orders from the a la carte, you can get the complimentary side dishes. So you can get everything, but you need to choose between kimchi stew and the soybean stew.
Okay, so if I choose 2 of these, then that comes with it?
Yes.
And okay. And then I pick 2 of these or
You just need to pick one of the soup from between kimchi.
oh,
or
the
soybean.
kimchi or the soybean? All right. Well, I'll definitely get 2 of these. So I'll get a kimchi.
Kimchi.
Yeah, I'll get a kimchi.
And also we also have the combo menus. The first 4 are the combination of beef and pork. The
Okay.
bottom 2 are the only beef pork combos.
Okay.
And it's also safe if you're the one of the orders from here, you can get the complimentary side dishes.
Okay.
And on the back, we also have more like side
Oh, other
dishes,
sides.
like appetizers.
Got it.
And we also have like drinks and the teaser on the
Okay.
bottom.
Alright.
And we also have more drinks.
Yeah, awesome.
And also we have the like special beef, which is wagyu. We
Okay.
have like A5 and the F1. F1 is more like softer than the ribeye, but like that's fatty than the wagyu, like A5 wagyu.
Okay. All right. And how much are those?
For the A5, it's $250 right now. For the F1, we have the chef version today. It's originally $150, but it's now $100.
The beef belly? And the out of the tongue or the brisket, what would you recommend?
For the brisket.
The brisket? Okay, I'll get the brisket. Yeah, I'll start with those 2. Yeah.
And you want it the kimchi stew, right?
Yes. So I'm at 8 Ounce. So in the other video, you saw Andy where we were at Chubby Cattle, which is on the other side of this building. Now he said, you got to check out 8 Ounce. You can order just a la carte. But so I got the beef belly and the beef brisket. So I'm going to try that. And as you saw, the sides look really good. So I like getting vegetables before I eat meat. That way it helps everything digest better. These are delicious. Kimchi. She said to mix this up. This is a really premium beef Korean spot here in Vegas. And what's really good is it's not a all you can eat. It's just a hold on, check this out. So which one is this?
This is beef brisket.
Okay, so that's the brisket. So that's all just brisket.
Yes.
Nice. And then you said that's about 8 ounces? Nice. Awesome. Oh wow, and you cook it too.
Yes. This one is the beef belly.
Oh wow. This is a kimchi pancake? Oh yeah. That's good. Let me try one of these. Oh my god. I grabbed a piece of that beef brisket already. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is so good. Oh yeah. Very tender. Juicy, fatty. This place is good. There's definitely no shortage of a lot of food. This is like a fluffy. I like this spot. You have good quality meat, but then you also get like this kimchi soup, this kimchi pancake right here. Definitely like premium, but some good healthy stuff too. The beef is getting like crunchy because it's been on the grill for a little bit. Oh, still fatty and tender. We're actually turned off at another place because it got so hot that this all-you-can-eat place. Versus this one, we have this up here, so it really like pulls it out. And I think they're cooking it much slower too, so the heat's much less. So I really like it. It's just a very slow cook. You can see it's really starting to cook there. I couldn't wait. I'm just like, this is really good. Oh my god. Oh yeah. It's so fatty. Oh, it's so good. That smoke just coming off it. Every bite is like divine. Try the brisket again. It was good. Just doesn't compare to the belly. I recommend just get the belly. Get the belly. There's a huge difference. You can really taste it. So it continues to cook here. And look at just like all that fat, the belly. And it's like perfectly seared a little bit. They cook at super low temperature. Oh man. Get one of these little radishes. Cleans the palate. Amazing. Ever since my video in Chongqing, eating spicy hot pot, now I really appreciate the spices in all these different types of food. Yeah, if you haven't seen that Chongqing video, really break down in China like how to not eat hot pot. Like I totally messed it up. You'll laugh checking out that video. I was like putting oysters like full shelled into the hot pot. It was a disaster. So amazing though. I am almost through eating a pound of beef and I feel good. Like I don't feel bad. You can really taste the difference here, like the quality. So because they come to the table and help you the whole time, I definitely hooked her up with 25%. Definitely worth it. And yeah, this place is it's a premium. It's not cheap as you can see, but it's definitely well worth it. Highly recommend. Thank you. Appreciate it. Have a good night. You guys take care. Take care. Thank you.
Ever get to have a fellowship, right?
Okay, that place was super legit. 8 ounce here in Las Vegas. Man, I really like that beef belly. They have A5 Wagyu. They have specials that they do. I can only imagine how good those are. I didn't go all out and get the A5. It was like 200 something dollars, and they have different price points at different ones, but it is really legit. The beef belly, it was perfect. Also, what I really liked in there was how they just they're right there by your table the whole time, like cooking anything you want. Like they're right next to the table, so you do really get a premium service as well. They're just always there. They're super helpful, very kind, and she was really good. So 8 ounce here in Las Vegas. All right, I'm gonna head to the Bellagio. I want to see the Year of the Snake.